right, welcome back. Real quick today, Monday, April 19th, what I want to do is I worked on 2 sheets this weekend. I worked on one, it's like a short-term day trading scalping system, one-off sheet for every month of the year that you want to keep track of your daily progress on day trading. And the big one is the next version of a single entry, multiple coin totality portfolio sheet that I put together that quite frankly I want to make sure that I can mess with the VBA on the back side of it, the Visual Basic code that's there, and try to break it as best I possibly can until I can't. And then when I can, I'll have that done, and I'll show it real quick. It'll be done by Wednesday, but that one not necessarily as easy of a solution as the one I'm going to show you here in a second. Let me pull this one up real quick. All right, so let's go over here and let's see. So this is the new one I did. This is the one that's going to be available for download today. This one I'm going to have up at luxatam.com. I could show you real quick to get there. Right here again. Same thing. Just go to luxatam.com, scroll down. You see free tools, get free tools. Boom. This one will be sitting right here. Wednesday, the third one will be right here. That's the single entry. This one and this one are not the same, but they do the same thing. This is just day trading. So that'll be available, and that's this one right here. It'll be available today. I'll just throw it up there, free download, code wide open on the back. Go ham, have a good time. Before I go any further, everything I'm about to tell you about any of this information that I'm going to be talking about in terms of day trading, investing, short-term scalp systems, monetary choices, coin choices, I'm not a financial advisor. I don't need the police taking a battering ram to my front door because I said the wrong thing. It seems like there's some kind of big fear out there that if you don't say these disclaimers, something can happen to you. So I'm not a fucking financial advisor. I don't need any bullshit from people telling me that I said the wrong thing and led them astray and they made a move based on my suggestion. I'm not suggesting anything to anybody. As a matter of fact, consider me an idiot. I just have a whole bunch of free tools out here that I hope can help you out. And better yet, if you get your hands on these tools and you can make them better, please be kind and send it back to me and say, look, I made it even better for you, which is what I'm hoping happens maybe someday. But I'm pretty sure these work pretty well. Let's take a look at this real quick. This one's real simple. Coin price. This is just a little scenario builder I built over here. Has absolutely no impact on this sheet whatsoever. It's a standalone one. And if you look down here at the tabs at the bottom, the different sheets, I have it all the way through the months of the year. It's the exact same sheet. You're just rolling up P&L. That's all. I need to rename these real quick, but that'll be done in about 2 seconds here. So coin price, let's just say you have investment scenario and you have a commitment every day that you're going to enter the marketplace with $1,000 and you want to make 15% on your money every day. So you just have a coin that you're looking at, and it's costing 2 cents per coin and you want to buy 50,000 tokens and the fee was $5. You're going to spend $1,005. There's your 1,000 commitment. So on this day, now that's just a scenario that you ran. I kept this blue, so you can change the amount of tokens based on the price of the token and how much you want to invest and kind of tweak it until it gets to a number you want right here. It's just a little toy to use to see what you kind of need to do to get to where you want to spend based on what the price is of a coin that you're interested in. So on this particular day, I'm interested in, let's say, Dent coin, which you get over here. I don't even know where I do know where you can get it from. So you can go here, you can get Dent, KuCoin or MXC. So let's go get some Dent. And the price of the coin is 02, and you bought 50,000 and you paid a $5 fee. So now all I'm showing here in this calculation right here, which is right here, is I'm multiplying it by 0.15 because I'm saying I want to make 15% on my money, which is right here. I want this to go up. I want 15% added to this, so I basically want to make $150 today and call it a day off of this investment. Put in 1,000, come back out with 1150. I'm good. Now what needs to happen is the coin that I invested in at 2 cents needs to go up by 15% in price. So it means it's going to hit here, and then I sell my coins for this price right here. And let's say that's exactly what happened, and you'll see, boom, I'm out. $11.50. I pay the fee, $5. I profited $140. I take $70 and move it here. I take $70 and I move it there. Whatever you want, doesn't matter. Do whatever you want with this. You can call these what you want and do what you want with your profits. I just did the basic calculations, and then over the month, as the month goes by, this will start to roll up, hopefully. So if you did take your money and put it in the bank, I just put a little thingy right here to show you, hey, yeah, I did, or no, I haven't done it yet, but I still have it sitting in my exchange or my wallet, so I need to move it to my money, out my cash, to my bank. Boom, done. I'll go through and change the dates on all this, I promise. Now, real quick update. Boom, right here. This is the one that I've been working on. I said I would color code these. I did. I color coded them. Kind of changed this button a little bit, made these buttons a little bit taller and shorter. And here we go. So now you can do your transactions. All this stuff is here. And I made this very obvious that it's one of 4 choices. And then you go over here to portfolio. I'm taking all this roll-up data in your main portfolio. And this is where I made a change. I added the buy cost and the sell cash received. So if you do, back over here, if you buy coins, come to any coin, you're going to have a buy cost. If you sold coins, that means you received some cash. I have that sell cash received so that I could roll these numbers up here. There was no other way to do it with the way the VBA code works, but I had to add these two and futz with it, and it works. So here's all the data. Now what I have right here, the data comes in as you fill out this form. And remember, I'm not going to go through an example on this yet because this isn't coming out till Wednesday, but I have notes here. I'm going to cover all this. I have all these right here. This all rolls up into your main portfolio, which is way up here, and then all your data right here. I'm not going to put a data feed of live price coins, coin prices in here because I don't want to control that for people. I want everyone to be able to make their own decision on what they want to feed into their sheet. So at the end of the day, that's kind of what covers the main parts of what I wanted to show today. The only other 2 things I wanted to talk about. Number 1 is please go to luxatam.com, download any of the free sheets I have there, which is the first one, and then that new scalping one I did, and then the big one I just showed you. That'll be done on Wednesday. It'll be available too on Wednesday at the website. Number 2, if you have any questions about anything that I'm talking about, anything that I'm doing, or you want to see something different, or you have any questions about anything in this space, please leave your comments below the videos. That's where it's really going to help. Now, number 1, it helps the algorithm show that I have engagement, which keeps recommending me out more. No lie, that's what I want. I also want other people to be able to see whatever your particular question is, and then I answer it. Other people can just kind of moonlight and look in there and see the answer and also get the information for themselves, which is very helpful to people. It helps me a lot when I do that. The other thing that you should probably do at this point in time, if you're watching these videos and haven't done so yet, is you want to go over to CoinGecko, Google search this. Go to Google search this. CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. Those are the only 2 I'm going to suggest. Those are basic. They're free, and they're just prices. Like it's a price feed of all the coins. It's a one-stop shop to see where all of the data is on every coin that's out there, and kind of broken up by segments and stuff, and use it for research and all kinds of great information on both. I'd get both of them, but I use CoinMarketCap predominantly just because of some lag issues in timing of their updates on their prices. It's a little bit better than CoinGecko, and we'll leave that be what it is. It's just my personal opinion. Other than that, everything else looks good here. I'm going to go clean up some of the syntax, get these things up on the website. They'll be available for download today. Wednesday, I'll put out a video showing the first part of how to use the big one, and it'll be made available at luxatam.com. Check me out over there on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. Twitter and YouTube is where I mainly like to respond. Facebook, I just like to put a link to come see this, and same with Instagram, kind of. I'm not particularly into those 2, and not very adept at using them either. So that's what that is. Have a good day. See you on Wednesday. Or sometime this week.